Hello children, welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 8, HTML and Introduction. Today in this video we will learn the following topics from page number 99. Here we will learn the more tags in HTML, that is center tag, BR tag, HR tag, B tag, I tag and U tag. Before going to start the chapter, let's discuss few key terms that we will learn from page number 99. Here the first term is center tag, where center tag is used to align the text to the center of the page. The next tag is B tag, where B tag is used to make the text bold or darker than the previous one. The next term is I tag, where I tag is used to make the text italic, or you can say it will make your text little slanting. And the last tag is U tag, where U tag is used to make your text underline. Now here we will learn the following syntax from page number 99. Here the first tag is center tag, where the opening tag of center tag is within the angular brackets center and closing tag for the center tag is within the angular brackets /center. Now the next tag is BR tag, where BR stands for break and opening tag for BR is within the angular brackets BR. As we know, the BR tag is empty tag, so there will be no closing tag or off tag for BR tag. Now the next tag is HR tag, where HR stands for horizontal ruler, where the opening tag of HR is within the angular brackets HR. As we know, HR tag is also empty tag, so there will be no closing tag of HR. Now the next is there B tag, where B stands for bold and opening tag for bold is within the angular brackets B and closing tag for bold is within the angular brackets /B. Next tag is I tag, where the full form of I is italic and opening tag for I is within the angular brackets I and the closing tag for I is within the angular brackets /I. And the last tag is U tag, where U stands for underline and opening tag for underline is within the angular brackets U and closing tag for underline is within the angular brackets /U. Now open your computer book at page number 99. Here the next tag is center tag, where center tag I have already explained earlier. Now here we will learn to center the text. We will type center opening tag before the text and \center closing tag after the text. Let's see it practically now. Now open your notepad file. Now to align your heading levels in the center of the web page, place your mouse pointer before the first heading level and type here within the angular brackets center. After typing opening center tag, now need to close it. Now here you will see to close the center tag after heading levels, we will put angular brackets, and within the angular brackets we will put forward slash and we will write center. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard and minimize it. Now to see the output, again double click on HTML file from the desktop. Now here you can see the heading levels will appear in the center of your web page. Again look at your book at page number 99. Here the next tag is BR tag, where BR stands for break. It splits the line and displays the text on a new line. Here is the syntax of BR tag, where within an angular brackets we will write B and R. Let's do it practically now. Now again open your notepad file. Now let's see if you want to apply the BR tag between the paragraph. How can we apply that? Suppose I want to break this paragraph into two parts. Now I will put BR tag before this last line. So I will place my cursor before this last line and type angular brackets. Within the angular brackets, I will type BR. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard. Now again open your HTML file from your desktop. Now here you can see, to see the result, I will click on this refresh button. Now here you can see the change. The last line of the paragraph will appear in the next line. Now again look at your book at page number 99. Here the next tag is there, HR tag, where HR tag works as a separator between the block of text. It will draw a horizontal line across the page. Let's see it practically now. Now open your notepad file. Here you can see, to insert the HR tag, we will place our cursor before the heading levels. Now here you can see, I have placed my cursor before heading levels and center tag. Now here I will put angular brackets, and within the angular brackets I will type HR. Now again save your file by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard. Now to see the output, click on HTML file from your desktop. Now here you will see, to see the output, I will click on this refresh button, and here you can see the change on your web page. Now again look at your book at page number 99. Here the next tag is B tag, where I have already explained the term B tag. Now again open your notepad file. Now here you can see, to make the text bold, place your cursor before the text. Now again type two angular brackets, and within the angular brackets type B. Now after the line that you want to make bold on your web page, close the B tag. Here you can see, I have put again angular brackets, and within the angular brackets, to close the B tag, I will type forward slash and B. Now save your file again by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard. Now to see the output, click on HTML file from your desktop. Now again click on this refresh button. Now here you can see the change on your web page. Again look at your book at page number 99. Here the next tag is I tag, where I have already explained the term, full form and syntax of I tag. Let's do it practically now. Now again open your notepad file. Here you will see, to make the text italicized, I will place my cursor before this second line of the paragraph and I will type angular brackets, and within the angular brackets I will type I. After this line, I will close this I tag by typing angular brackets, and within the angular brackets I will type /I. Now again save your file by pressing Ctrl+S key from your keyboard and minimize it to see the output. Now again double click on HTML file from your desktop. Now here you can see the change. In the second line of the paragraph, it is italicized. Now again look at your book at page number 99. Here you will see the next tag, that is U tag, where I have already explained the term U tag and also explained its syntax. Now let's do it practically. Now again open your notepad file. To underline the text, I will place my cursor before this last line of the paragraph. Now type angular brackets and within the angular brackets type U. To close the U tag, I will put angular brackets and within the angular brackets I will type /U. Now again save your file by pressing Ctrl+S key from your keyboard and minimize it. Now to see the output, again double click on HTML file on your desktop. Now here you can see the change. The last line of the paragraph will be underlined. Till now we have learnt the following key terms from page number 99. We have learnt the key term of center tag, B tag, I tag and U tag. And we have also learnt the following syntax and full forms from page number 99. We have learnt the syntax of center tag. We have learnt the BR tag, which stands for break. We have also learnt the syntax. We have learnt the full form of HR, that is horizontal ruler. We have learnt the full form of B, that is bold. We have learnt the full form of I, that is italic. We have learnt the full form of U, that is underline. Now revise all the terms, cross questions and step questions till done.